Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this Voodoo Eyes and Dress and Press new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to apply this Voodoo Eyes to your model, you just need to go to this area, the Halloween update area. Okay, you can visit this area guys, and here on this table you will see this Voodoo Eyes, and you can just click on put on, and then you can get this Voodoo Eyes, and you can change the toggle guys. Select toggle, and then you can choose default or eyelashes. You can also change the color. You can apply the color that you like, and for me I'm just going to make it black and also white. Let's try white. Okay, and you can use this Voodoo Eyes for Halloween theme or the horror theme, or it's up to you. And yeah, that's so cool, and most importantly it's free. Just go to this area and select this Voodoo Eyes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Voodoo Eyes and Dress and Press Halloween update on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.